kind T-Rex. Once upon a time, there was a T-Rex, Ricky, living with his parents in a cave near a lake. Every evening, all the dinosaurs in the forest would come to the lake to drink water. Ricky would rush out the moment he heard others, but each time he approached any of them, they'd run away scared. Whenever others ran away, Ricky would get upset, but he couldn't do anything about it. One day, he went out for a walk. There he saw a young Stegosaurus stuck in a ditch, struggling to escape. Ricky approached to help, but the Stegosaurus shrieked, petrified. Though upset yet, Ricky helped him out using his long tail. Once out, the Stegosaurus couldn't believe a T-Rex saved him. Ricky gave him a warm smile, and the young Stegosaurus also smiled back. Ellie and Grandma. Once a family of Brachiosaurus lived in a forest. Other dinosaurs were scared of these giants getting in their homes, so they set traps for them. While on a walk with her grandma, little Ellie came across a small pond. Excited, she wanted to jump right in, but Grandma stopped her and warned, "It could be a trap, Ellie." Disappointed, Ellie went back home, but she couldn't stop thinking about the pond. Before sunrise, Ellie sneaked out. When she reached the pond, she was shocked to see a small microraptor trapped in it. The pond was indeed a trap, just like Grandma had warned. Crying Ellie ran back home to get some help. After the rescue, she hugged her grandma and apologized for not listening. Ellie realized that we should respect our elders and always listen to them. Being helpful. A loud crying noise was coming out of a small cave near a lake. Polly lived nearby and was worried about who it was and what might be wrong with. Though scared, yet she decided to check on whoever it was. Carefully, she left her own cave and slowly walked towards the noise. It was the deep part of the forest. Even the moonlight couldn't reach the spot where Polly was walking. She stopped and wondered if it was worth all the risk to help a stranger. She decided to walk anyway. The moment she entered the dark cave, she was shocked to see that the crying was coming from her own sister. Trapped and injured, she had been crying for help. Hugging and kissing, she helped her sister out and made a resolution to continue being helpful. A good deed. Once upon a time, there was a young dinosaur, Sam. On his way to school, one morning, he noticed a baby dinosaur stuck in a stream. Quickly, he threw a long tree branch and rescued her. Panting for air, the dinosaur thanked Sam. Then Sam was back on his way to school. A few days later, he saw the same baby dinosaur jumping around, yelling, trying to grab his attention. Sam rushed to her immediately and asked what was wrong. She told Sam that a ferocious T-Rex had been following him for days and was about to attack when she made him rush to her side. She told Sam how she had been following him ever since she understood the T-Rex's plan. She took it as her duty to help him since he saved her life. No good deed should go unrewarded.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.